Students, today we are going to learn the topic nouns. In the last class we learned subject and predicate, and today we are going to learn the topic which is nouns. And there are the two nouns here, singular noun and plural noun. So how can you identify the singular noun and plural nouns? So first of all, there is the definition of singular noun and it's the definition of plural noun. So now I read, okay, nouns which stand for one person, animal, place or thing are called singular nouns. How can you say that? Nouns which stand for only one person, one thing, one place, that is called the singular noun. Some examples are here: pen, book, star, friend, glass. So these are the example of singular nouns. Then plural nouns. Let's see the definition of plural nouns. Nouns which stand for more than one person, animal, place or thing are called plural nouns. Some examples are here: pens, stars, books, friends and many more. Okay, so how can identify the plural nouns? Because of more than one person. If एक से ज़्यादा व्यक्ति, एक से ज़्यादा एनिमल, एक से ज़्यादा प्लेस, एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ें, उनके लिए प्लूरल नाउन्स. In the first singular noun pen and in the plural noun pens, book, books, star, stars. Okay, so singular and plural noun. So let's see some more example I would like to give you. And most of the time we add yes to make the plural nouns. Singular and plural. Okay, so look here, how can you add yes to the noun to make the plural? For example, balloon. Okay, balloon. Then add yes. Make it plural, balloons. Understood? It is the S. Means balloon plus yes, balloons. Singular and then plural. How can you make the plural from the singular noun? Yes, balloon plus add balloons. Then kite plus s, kites. Okay, then chair plus s, chairs. So singular balloon, plural balloons. Singular kite, plural kites. Singular chair, plural chairs. Then here a table. Then plus yes, tables. Okay, these are the examples of singular and plural. Did you understand, student? Okay, next see how can you change if as a double s, x, ch, then sh in the last letter. Okay. Now look, ends with noun double s, then x, then sh, then ch, then double s, then ch. Okay. So how can you make the plural? First of all, noun ends in s, x, sh, double s, sh or ch. So we have to add what is es to the end of the word. Look, glass plus es. What is this? Glasses. Glass plus es, glasses. Then box plus es, boxes. Then bush plus es, bushes. Okay. Then church plus es, churches. churches, churches. Then dress plus es, dresses, dresses. Then bench plus es, benches. It is the singular and it is the plural form of these nouns. Understand? So look here, bench benches. So look, but end with the word double S, then S, then SH, then CH, then double S, then CH. End of the nouns. If the letters are there, so you have to add what is es to make them plural. Understood, student? So glasses, boxes, bushes, churches, dresses, benches. These are the example of plural noun. Now let's see some more examples of with the ends with the y letter. Okay. When nouns end in y letter and there is a consonant before y, add ies. So look at these examples. First of all, first example, end with the y letter. Okay, but before y, what is the letter here? T letter, and T is the consonant. So that's why we have to add to make them plural. What is this? IES to the end of the word. First of all, I write here one example. Party plus IES. You have to drop the Y letter and we have to add what is instead of Y letter? IES. So look at the board. Party plus IES, parties. We have to add IES and we have to drop the letter Y. Why? Because it is the before letter, consonant letter. That's why we have to do not write Y letter. We have to drop the Y letter and add IES to this word. Next, family. So what is this? Add IES and to make them plural. Family plus IES. Add families. So what is before Y letter before L? LL is the consonant letter. Means all the consonant letters before the Y consonant letter. So you have to add IES to the word to make them plural. Okay. So family plus IES, families. Then duty plus IES, duties. Okay, student, did you understand? Means Y letter you have to drop and add IES to the noun. Army plus IES, armies. Armies. Then story plus IES, stories. Okay. Then fairy plus IES, fairies. Next, baby plus IES, babies. Baby plus IES, babies. And then country plus IES, countries. Okay. Did you understand how to make the singular to plural? Because of the, you have to end with the Y letter. If end with the Y letter and before Y letter, you have to find out what is the letter before Y letter? Consonant letter. That's why you have to add IES to make them plural, and you have to drop the Y letter and you make them plural. So party, parties, family, families, duty, duties, army, armies, story, stories, fairy, fairies, baby, babies, country, countries. Next, see some more example about the Y ends, but before the Y letter we have to show the vowels. So what is the add after the Y letter? Then look at the students. There are the singular nouns day, key, ray, boy, toy, monkey, donkey, valley. So these are the examples of singular noun. So how can you make them plural? So first of all, when nouns end in Y letter, all these words ends with a Y letter, and there is a vowel. There is a vowel before Y letter. Before Y letter there is a vowel. A is a vowel, key is a vowel, A is vowel again, O is vowel, then also here O is vowel, E is vowel here. In this word E is vowel here and in this word E is vowel here. Means these are the Y letter before which is vowels come. So that's why we have to add what is the end of the words? Yes. Okay. S we have to add to make them plural. So let's see how can you make them. So day plus S is equal to days. Before some time we see consonant letter, but now we are looking here Y before letter vowels, ends with a Y, but before which is vowels letter. That's why we have to add yes to make them plural. So day, days, then key, keys, key, keys, ray, rays, ray, rays. Okay, boy, boys, boy, boys. Next them toy, toys, toys. Then monkey plus yes, monkeys, monkey, monkeys. Then donkey, donkeys. And then valley, valleys, valley, valleys. How can you make? Yes. Did you understand how can you make them plural? Add only yes in the last word. Okay. Every. Because of before Y later there is the vowels. That's why we have to add only yes later to end of the words. So next I would like to give the F letter and FE letter end with the word. How can you make them plural to change the FE letter and make them IVES? Okay, let's see. When nouns end in F or FE, look at all these examples of this singular noun. In the end of the word F, then here F, then here FE, then here F, again EF, then FE and then F. So end of the F or FE, we have to change F or FE into VES and make them plural. So how can you make them? Look at the board very carefully. So first VES, look at here, cough plus VES. We have to drop the F letter or FE letter or EF letter. Okay, in the end of the letter. End of the letter we have to change it. Cough plus VES is equal to coughs. Look, how can you change singular to plural? Means यहाँ पर देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पर जो हमने F लिखा था अभी उस लेटर को हमने चेंज करके ड्रॉप करके उसके जगह हमने कौन से लेटर डाले हैं? VES. Then make the plural. Cough, coughs. Then half, halves. Look here. Half, house. Then knife, knives. Knife, knives. How can you make? We have to drop the FE letter and add to VES. Okay, then make the plural knives. Then leaf. How can you make? Yes, tell me. Leaves. Very good. It's a leaves. Then thief. End of the EF. So we have to add VES to make them plural. So it is the thieves. It is the thieves. Then wife, wives. Wives, wife, wives. Okay. Next, wool, wolves. Wool, wolves. So these are the example of plural. These are the example of singular and these are the example of plurals. So did you understand student how can you make them singular to plural? If you have to look at the carefully last letter which are, and then you must change like that to singular to plural. So now we have to add some more letters end with the O letter. Okay, let's see some more example of this. So let's see the example of singular noun. When nouns end in O letter by adding es. What is we have to add to these nouns? Es. Why? Because of the ends with a O letter. Ends with a O letter. Ends with a O letter. That's why we have to add es to make them plural. Let's see. Buffalo. Then add es. Buffaloes. Okay. Next, mango. Mangoes. Mango. Then mangoes. Next, tomato. Tomatoes. Tomato. Tomatoes. Potato. Potatoes. Potatoes. Okay. Then mosquito. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Next, hero. Heroes. Hero. Heroes. We have to add es to make them plural. Why we can add es? Because of the ends later with a o. That's why we have to add es to make them plural. Buffaloes, mangoes, tomatoes, potatoes, mosquitoes, heroes. But some rules, these nouns do not follow this rule. They do not change like that. Only we have to add yes. Photo, photos. I write here some example. Photo. But here we do not have to add es. Why? Because of this noun do not follow the rules. That's why we have to only add like that. Photos. Okay. Next, radio. So we have to add here radios. Okay. These two nouns, these are the exception of this. So photo, photos, radio, radios. Next, see more example I would like to give you. Okay, let's see. Let's see some examples. These nouns are the irregular nouns. How can you make them singular to plural? Child, ox, mouse, man, woman, foot, tooth, goose. Okay, so let's see how can you make them plural. Child, children. Then ox, oxen. Then mouse, mice. Then man, men. Woman, women. And foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. And last, goose, geese. So these are the plural nouns. So बच्चों आपको पता चल गया how to make them singular to plural. These are the plural nouns and these are the singular noun. So I hope you understood very well. Thank you and have a nice day.